see the students all are enjoying the happy Holi and very colorful event. We all are enjoying. From ISHM, we are wishing all of you a very colorful happy Holi. Thank you.
Holi, the festival of colors, is being celebrated each year by ISHM. The faculties, the students used to play the Holi up here, and we celebrate the Holi like anything, like a brighten of different sorts of color. So happy Holi to each and everybody up here. Thank you.